There were a number of trends that were on track in 2019 and just continue to accelerate. And deep learning has forged ahead at an incredible pace in 2020. One of the trends is to train deep learning models on terabytes of text information that comes from the internet, textbooks, and books. The purpose of taking this information and feeding it into a machine learning model is to extract from all that information statistical patterns. So it's played a role in helping us against the pandemic. AI and machine learning can be used to read all those documents and papers and sort through them and organize them and provide them in more meaningful ways to researchers and scientists who need to understand them to come up with therapeutics and vaccines. GPT-3 is the latest and greatest AI, or in machine learning, we're going to call it a language model, that's being sold by OpenAI. What GPT-3 offers is a language interface so that you can ask questions and get back answers. GPT-3 uses something called one-shot learning. And that means that instead of a second phase of training with a topic-specific set of knowledge, it uses its natural language interface to allow the user to introduce a topic simply by text. And it tries to find things similar to that text within its textual data and then becomes capable of answering subsequent questions. One of the things that has been demonstrated with GPT-3 is its ability to actually automatically generate software. There was 2 very famous tweets where GPT-3 was actually able to generate code that could create new interfaces from the ones that it had been exposed to. Even though GPT-3 was trained with terabytes of data, we have to understand better the balance of the data, or its bias. So OpenAI was concerned enough to explore the bias within GPT-3 and start to understand and catalog it better. Recently, adversarial machine learning has emerged as a trend. More and more, we're actually deploying and integrating machine learning models into our systems. We've seen examples of cars being autonomously driven or using vision recognition systems, and those systems can get hacked. So adversarial machine learning is this endeavor of trying to anticipate those attacks and make the models that we deploy more robust and resilient to those attacks. What's always important to remember is how much good this technology brings. This technology can be used to serve patients better in healthcare. It can be used to understand learners better so they receive better online education. The critical question is understanding how to make use of this technology and put it in a social context so that we can understand how to use it responsibly.